Hello, it's Mr. Sarisa, and I'm going to do a little bit more with cross products, but this will be real short because we're doing the algebraic properties and the geometric properties, so you really just have to pause the screen, copy it down, and understand what's going on. I'll do a quick explanation, but it'll be very quick. So you can see first, if you cross a vector with itself, you're going to get 0. And then if you cross a vector with another vector, that's the opposite of switching those. So you can see order matters. There is no commutative property because you get a different answer with u cross v and v cross u. So be careful with that. When you take a constant and you multiply it times the cross of the vector, you're not really multiplying all of those, you're not distributing rather, you're just multiplying that vector times one of them, or that scalar multiple times one of them. So see that alpha only goes to the u or it only goes to the v, it doesn't go to both. Very similar to if you had 3 times 2 times 5. You don't say 3 times 2 and 3 times 5, you just do 3 times 2 times 5. So that'll be 6 times 5, or 2 times 15. Either way, you'll get 30. And then finally, the next one is like distributing the u cross v plus the u cross w, and then you get that. So that's the algebraic properties. And then finally you have the geometric properties, where you can see the u cross v is orthogonal to both u and v, and that's something that we're going to work on, very similar to the first image from the other slide. So you have a u, you have a v, you have a u cross v. Something like that. And then the magnitude of the cross of u and v is equal to the multiplication of the two magnitudes times sine theta. You could also think of sine theta equals the magnitude of the cross product over the product of the two magnitudes. Very similar to when we had the dot product over the magnitudes with cosine. And then you can find the area of the parallelogram, just finding the magnitude of the cross, and then the cross of two vectors will be 0 only if they're parallel. So that's why u cross u will equal 0. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that this helped.